alaikum. This is Hamna Khalid from the Oceans of Knowledge. Today I will give you the detailed description of present perfect tense. First of all, I must tell you what is the introduction of present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, the verb shows that the action is mentioned is complete, perfect and finished at the time of speaking. Now the question arises how to make present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is made, first of all we need subject plus has or have according to the pronoun plus third form of verb and plus object. Here are written pronouns with I, you, we, they and plurals we use the helping verb have, and with he, she, it and singular we use helping verb has. Here I have given examples to make the point clear to you how to make present perfect tense. First, I tell you the uses of present perfect tense where it is more suitable to use present perfect tense. First, to indicate complete activities in the immediate past with just. For example, we can say he has just gone out. Another example may be it had just struck 10. For the immediate past, we will use present perfect tense. And other use of present perfect tense is that to express past action whose time is not given and infinite. For example, I must say the examples are, have you read Gulliver Travel? And other example may be, I have never seen him to be angry. Another use of present perfect tense is to describe past events when we think more of their effect in the present than the action itself. For example, I got my finger cut. Another example may be I have finished my work. What is the more effect? The more effect in the present than of the action itself is that I got my finger cut, now it is bleeding. It is more effect, now it is bleeding. And in other example, I have finished my work, and the more effect in this sentence is that now I am free. Another use of present perfect tense is that to denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present moment. For example, she has been ill since last week. Another example may be, I have known him for a long time. One point I must make it clear to you that the following verbs or adverb phrases can be used in present perfect tense. For example, never and ever, but they are used in questions only. They can be used in present perfect tense, but they can be used in questions only. And so far, till now and yet, they can be used in present perfect tense, but they can only be used in negative and questions only. And the rest one that we can use, there is no limitation. They can be used anytime in present perfect tense. These are already, today, this week and this month, etc. The most notable thing that I must tell you is that present perfect tense is never used with the adverb of past. For example, we can't say that he has gone to Calcutta yesterday. This is totally wrong sentence. In this case, we will use past indefinite tense. We will say he went to Calcutta yesterday. Now the lecture is over. I hope the points that I am sharing with you have cleared to you. Inshallah, see you in the next lecture soon.